Hey guys, it's me Amber and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial and I'm going to be recreating this photo, this look that Manny MUA did. So I'll insert the picture now so you can get a better look at it. But it's like got some rose, it's like kind of like rosy gold on the eye and then a bit of pink underneath with a nude lip. So I'm going to try to recreate this, and before we do I'm going to show you all my products on the floor because I just laid them all out so it's easier for me to like get them, and there's quite a lot. So, oh my god, mind how dirty this is like disgusting, but yeah. All my products are all here. I still have some more in my makeup case that I need to get out, but this is just the main stuff, and then obviously I've got this to keep looking at. So let's get into today's video. I'm going to start off by moisturising my face with this Nivea Daily Essentials Moisture Cream. So I'm going to put a little bit of this on. To prime today, I'm going to be taking the Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser by Maybelline. And I'm just going to put this on my T-zone. I can't squirt any out. Why isn't it coming out? Okay, there we go. Put a bit here and then up there. I'm going to start with foundation. I'm going to take the Bourjois Healthy Mix in the shade Light Vanilla. It looks like this. So I'm going to put a few pumps on the back of my hand. I'll do 2.5 for now. And then take my damp beauty sponge and just start blending this in. I need to get a mirror because I can't use my phone to do this. I'll use this eyeshadow palette. Oh my god, I have like the face cream in my hair. For concealer, I'm going to take the True Match one by L'Oreal in the shade 1N. I'm going to apply this under my eyes. And on the chin and forehead. And then blend it in again. Today I'm going to set my face with the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder in the shade Pink Blossom. I'm going to use a big fluffy powder brush to do this. Right guys, so I just filled in my eyebrows. As you can see, they kind of look a bit dark, but oh well, who cares. So I use the Sleek Au Naturel palette and I use the shade right here. And then to fill them in, I use the Morphe I can't even speak today. I use the Morphe M158 brush. This is a really good brush to do your eyebrows. And then I use this disgusting old eyebrow gel, which I think is by Collection, if I am correct. So I used those, and now what should I do? I think I'm going to move on to eyeshadow and then finish my base after. Okay, so as you can see, how am I going to do this? It's like got the pink underneath and then like the rose gold and glitter. So I was trying to look through my eyeshadow palettes I own and I was trying to find shades that look similar. So to start off with, I'm going to take the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette, and as I already put like foundation on my eyes, I'm not going to prime them because I don't see the point. See, I've already got that on. So I'm going to take the Morphe M200 brush and this shade here, which, let me see what it's called. This is so confusing. Silk Cream. I'm going to take the shade Silk Cream and I'm just going to put this in my crease. If I sit like this, yes, and I'll show you the guys this eye. So I've got a bit on my brush and then I'm going to tap it off and just run this right through the crease. This is kind of going to be like our transition shade. Next shade I'm going to take is this one called Butter, and I'm going to focus this on the outer corner. I'm now going to take this one here, which is called MFEO, and I'm going to put this like at the front of my eyelid. I want to like be in camera, but then I want to hold my mirror and it's kind of like an awkward place to film. This is really annoying. Okay, so I have two options for the shimmer shade. I have this Makeup Revolution Redemption palette, and I have this shade right here. Or I have this Soap and Glory Flatter box, which has 3 different eyeshadows in. And I have this one in the middle. So I'm going to swatch them and see which one I'm going to prefer. This is the one from Soap and Glory, and this is the Makeup Revolution one. And I feel like I'm going to use them both. I'm going to take this Little Lottie London one, which is like really small and cute. I'm going to take this shade right here. Let's see what colour it is. Does it say? I'm going to say this one's Copper. So this is called Copper. I'm just going to put this not right in the inner corner, but like in the middle, fading outwards. Okay, I need my mirror again. I keep losing everything. I'm gonna have to like try zoom in or something. I'm going to take this Flat Lottie London brush and the shade out of the Redemption palette. I'm going to put this one right in the inner corner and just pack it on. As you can see, here it's like really like shimmery. So to get like that on my eye, I'm going to take this really white icy shade out of the Redemption palette, and I'm just going to place that right above here. I'm going to like do it, oh my gosh, the lighting, but like right here. Here's how the eyeshadow is looking. Yeah, now he's got liner, so I'm going to do my eyeliner now. I'm going to take this one by Soap and Glory, and it's their Super Cat Liquid Black Eyeliner Pen. So I'm going to do a nice wing, which is really hard for me because I'm really bad at eyeliner. But I'm going to try my best. But I'm probably going to do this off camera because it's going to take me a really long time. Okay guys, here is the eyeliner. Completely different. This one was like, ugh, not having it. So then I tried to do this one, and this one was like, ugh, not having it either. So I'm going on my iPad. They kind of both look different, but we're just gonna like ignore that because I can't really do it. I'm gonna finish the eyes, and I'm going to do some pink eyeshadow underneath. Oh my gosh, look at the sun coming in. It's like a rainbow. That's quite annoying. I might have to close my curtain. I don't know which side it's coming from. Okay, it's gone. Right, what was I saying? Okay, pink eyeshadow. I'm going to take the MUA Tropical Oceana palette. I'm going to take the shade called oh my gosh, Elatted. Oh my god, wait, I can't speak. I don't know how to pronounce this, but it's this one. So it's this one right here. I have no idea how to say that, but yeah, okay, it's that one. You take some of this shade on my brush. I'm just going to pack this right underneath my eye on my lash line. Oh my gosh, this is like really pigmented. Okay, now my eyelashes are all pink. I'm going to take the Morphe brush and just blend it out a tiny bit. Go back into the Jaclyn Hill palette and take this shade right here, which is called Obsessed, and put that in my inner corner and blend that a tiny bit underneath my eye. I'm going to put it right here. I'm going to do mascara now because as you can see, my eyelashes are non-existent right now. Okay, I dropped it. So I think we need to like take this moment and appreciate the fact that I am not going to be using the Thick and Fast mascara by Seven Glories that I've been using for like since Christmas, because that's when I got it. I'm going to be using something new for me. So I bought the Maybelline Great Lash Mascara in Very Black, and I've used this once and it was pretty good. Start by curling my eyelashes and then apply it. I kind of need to hurry up because I really wanted to film another video after this, like I'm not wasting my makeup, and I really wanted to film. Well, I have homework, but I can probably do that another day. But I have to go eat food as well. It is really annoying, and it's like, what even time is it? I've been like filming this video for quite a while now. It's just gone 5, so I need to hurry up. So if you don't follow my makeup Instagram account, you should go follow it. It'll come up on the screen right now. It's my name, and it's also linked down below. Ooh, what happened to my mirror then? It's linked down below in the description, because I do post a lot of different looks on there. Mascara is actually really good. Like you can, oh my god, wait, it's still wet. You can actually see my lashes now, which is what we want. To bronze with this mini Makeup Revolution bronzer, and it just says bronzer on the back, like there isn't a shade. And I'm going to take, if I can open it, take this number 7 brush and just bronze up my cheeks and also my forehead. So let's do that now. I can't really tell what type of blush he's wearing, so I'm going to go for like a peachy one. My Makeup Revolution blush palette in Hot Spice, and it looks like this. I'm going to take this one. It's like a peachy pink and it's really pretty. I'm going to take that on my brush and do this on the apples of my cheeks. For highlighter today, I'm going to use the MUA Undress Your Skin Shimmer Highlighter in Pink Shimmer. And I'm going to take this on the Morphe M501 brush. This is a really pretty like colour. I need my mirror. And then just apply this to my cheekbones. I'm trying to film a makeup tutorial here. Do you mind? So I put the highlighter on. It's such a nice highlighter, like for £3. For lips, he's got this really nice, it looks like a matte liquid lip. I'm gonna guess, well that's what I'm doing. And it's like a nude. So I'm gonna take this liquid lip by Jeffree Star, and it's in the shade Celebrity Skin. Let's just compare this. Oh god, I'm dropping everything. These kind of look like a really similar colour, so I feel like it's really good, and it's really good that I like got this. So I'm going to apply this to my lips. So I've just put the liquid lip on and it's looking like this. It kind of just needs to dry down. But I'm just going to finish by spritzing my face with the Makeup Revolution Pro Fix Amazing Makeup Fixing Spray. So I'm just going to spray some of this. Just to set it all in place further. And we are done. Okay, so I feel like I did a pretty good job and it kind of looks similar. I'm really impressed with how the eyes turned out, to be honest. Like, thank you guys for watching this video. If you did enjoy, make sure to leave it a like and subscribe down below if you're not. Also, if you want me to recreate any of your favourite people's makeup looks, then comment their names down below and I'll go pick a picture off the Instagram and recreate it like I've just done today. That's all, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!